Production at Mitotec combines advanced technology with skilled craftsmanship. Our facility operates CNC multi-Swiss machines, multi-axis Swiss machines, multi-spindle production equipment, CNC mill-turn machining centers, automated milling systems, and transfer machining technologies designed to support both complex geometries and high production throughput. Each platform is selected and integrated with a specific purpose: to reduce handling, eliminate secondary operations, and maintain consistency throughout the manufacturing process. These systems allow us to manufacture highly detailed components while maintaining tight tolerances, controlled geometries, and consistent surface finishes across extended production runs. But technology alone does not create repeatability. Standardized processes, validated setups, and experienced machinists ensure that performance remains consistent from the first approved part through full production volumes. Setup verification, tooling strategies, and documented work instructions help maintain stability across shifts and throughout long production cycles. Automation plays an important role in supporting both efficiency and consistency. Automated loading systems, palletized machining, and multi-operation platforms reduce variation while improving throughput. Process controls and in-process verification allow production teams and management to monitor performance continuously, ensuring that quality expectations are maintained without interrupting workflow. Close collaboration between production, engineering, and quality ensures that improvements are implemented quickly and processes continue to evolve as programs mature. Whether supporting early production ramp-up or sustained high-volume manufacturing, Mitotec focuses on building stable, repeatable processes capable of delivering consistent results over time. From prototype assistance aligned with production intent to full-scale manufacturing, our goal is predictable performance, not just capability. Because true precision in manufacturing isn't defined by a single part. It's proven through consistency.